Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Amber. If you don't know me, if you do know me, you know my name's Amber. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a #1 fan box that I got from the Pound shop. As you can see on the front, it says here, this is a box full of Poundland goodies, and it was just £5. Honestly, I saw it and I was like, this is basically like a Pound shop subscription box. So yeah, I bought it so I could review it on my YouTube. This is a little notepad, a little grocery shopping list, has a nice pound on it and Poundland branding on the front. See, I like this aesthetic of the Poundland, like having it as a brand rather than just the shop. I use that for my YouTube scripts because I use a script, but I have a few points written down to make sure that I say them because my mind goes a wander. Next I got this Poundland pen. I'll show you a better picture of it because you can't really see what it says on it. So we're going to christen this notepad with this beautiful pen and see if it actually works. And the pen works. So we're doing good so far, Poundland. We're doing good. Next is... oh, what is this? Ooh. Oh, a mouse pad. That's really cool. So I haven't actually got a PC mouse to use this on at the moment, but I am going to be building my own PC. I'll show you one part of it that I've got, so I'm not lying. So I can use this when I get my mouse for my PC, and it's Poundland branded. I love the aesthetic, it's just so good. It's a bit flimsy, like I've seen mouse pads that are a bit more stable, but when it's on the thing, it doesn't really matter as long as you've got somewhere to rub your mouse up against. Next thing I got was this coaster. I don't really use coasters, but I mean, I've got one now, so I can actually put my drink on it. Let's put this drink on it. It's actually not a drink, it's just an empty cup, but we're just utilising it for now. Got a badge! I love that, put that on now. There we go. Team. I support Poundland, and Poundland supports me. We've got 2 pencils. Oh, that's sick. They both have rubbers on the top, which I love about a pencil. And then engraved at the side, it says, amazing everyday value. So yes, still on the theme. Love me some new pencils. I know the pencils work, but we are going to test them still, because you can always feel how good a pencil is, right? Soft, not gritty. 2 more things left. There is this pound mug. Oh, now I can put this pound mug on that pound coaster. Yes. It's a bit small, like, I don't drink tea or anything. I'm like an avid milk drinker, so this isn't big enough for the glasses of milk that I have. Oh, love the mug. It's a bit scratched. I don't know if you can see, like, there where it's cracked a little bit. But it's alright. It cost me like, I don't know, 60p because you got more than 5 items in this, and it was a £5. Last but not least, this is my favourite thing that came in the whole box. This is the main reason I bought this box, okay? Poundland Socks. Poundland Socks! Open it quick. Oh god, they look a lot smaller than in the picture. I thought they was, wait a damn minute. Look at how they make out the socks look. And then I get these little ass things. The hell? Anyway, they have Poundland branding on the bottom. A bit upset that it's on the bottom, to be honest. And then there it's supposed to say amazing value everyday week. It's a bit, you can't really see it. So yeah, the thing that I wanted the most wasn't actually like the greatest experience. Like, look at how short these. On the subject of socks, I recently did a try on haul for Happy Socks, and it's a 60-second short on YouTube. If you guys would check it out, that'd help me a lot. Put them on. Very soft. Very soft. Like, to say that the Pound shop, the quality is just really good. So yeah, that's everything in the box. Overall, I'm not sure if it was worth a £5. The socks are a great gimmick, but I wish the Poundland logo was on the side because you can't see it when you've got your shoes on or when you're walking, you know, all the time you usually put socks on. Comment down below and tell me if you think this box is worth £5 and what was your favourite item in it. My favourite item was definitely the socks, like, no cap. And then probably the mug, but then everything else kind of just... it's normal things that I didn't really need. I didn't really need a mug, but I like the gimmick. You know, a Pound shop lover who would absolutely adore this, then just buy it. Like, it'd be a good Christmas present. It's a good Christmas gimmick, I think. I don't think it is just for Christmas. I don't know actually. It's got like dots around here that make me suggest to me that this is like snow, but then it's got dots up here that aren't snow coloured, so I'm not sure if this is a Christmas thing or it's a thing that they just have in general. I've never seen it before Christmas. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Share with your friends, I don't mind. And if you'd like to follow me on Instagram, my Instagram name is amberjade.hunter. And I think that's everything, so I'll see you guys later. Bye!